Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Powerology Phantom. So enough of me talking, let's get started on this video of today. As you can see guys, here we are having the Powerology Phantom. So this kind of speaker, first of all, at the first glance, it captured me on the way it looks. Secondly, it's the watts. It has 50 watts. Now 50 watts, it's bigger, man. It's crazy. 50 watts, it's bigger. And I think throughout this kind of Powerology, as you can see at the first glance, looks like JBL. Let's be honest, like boom. But well, this is not JBL, this is Powerology Phantom. So it comes with variety of colors, and we're gonna cover it on the video and see first of all what's happening inside on this kind of bad boy. We unbox it, we check it out, and we see what's goody. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, here we have it. This is our bad boy. As you can see, it's a Phantom Powerology speaker, which is really great, and I'm gonna share with you guys at the back here, so as you can see what's happening. Battery type, it's 18,650 Leon, and another kind of stuff, it has a battery capacity of 6,000 milliamp of battery. Rated capacity is 3,000 milliamp of battery. Audio signal out interference, standard 3.5mm jack, and it has an item size of 300 times 140 times 150mm, which is really great. Now throughout the watts here, as you can see here, it says watts here, output power 50 watts, which is really great. Let us just unbox it first. First thing first, you're having the aux cable, which is really kind of great. Secondly, you're having your cable for charging, which is the USB Type-C. Last but not least, you're having the paperwork, which you can see variety of the Phantom colors, which this one is blue, this one is camouflage, and this one is black, which is really kind of great. Okay guys, this is the moment you are being waiting for unboxing it and see what's inside of the speaker. Well, this looks really good. Whoa, man, I was thinking this speaker will be smaller just to picture it on the box. This is bigger, man. Just look at it. This is gigantic. This is cool. I like the colors on top. They are so vibrant. The buttons, the bigger, man, they're really awesome. You know what you're pressing on this kind of speaker. You can see here, you can even I think you can even cross play throughout different speakers of the same speaker variant of the Powerology Ghost, which is really kind of awesome. You can see here, you can input through different variety of stuff you want. And at the back here, you can see here at the back, let's see what's happening at the back here guys. You can see there's a USB Type-C, there's a micro SD card, there's even a USB port for flash drives, and even a aux cable, which you can input the port here through the aux cable here, which is really kind of great. And there's a reset button if your speaker has some malfunctioning. So yeah, which is really great, which other speakers, they don't have this kind of button. So it's really awesome. Well, is the Phantom copying JBL form factor? Well, yes. Let's be honest. This speaker looks like JBL, and matter of fact, it looks like Boom speakers lineup of JBL. The newer versions, they look the same. You can even see here, you can spot the form factor. If you know JBL, how they work or how they look, they're really looking the same, and they're really looking great. But the problem with this kind of speaker for copying it is they copy it good. This is a good copy, and it's not copy, but it's an original from Powerology, but throughout the form factor looks like JBL, which for the enthusiasts, you know what I'm talking about. So throughout here, you can just power it on. You can see here there's wow. Okay guys, you can hear that sound. Let's see. Say, come on, this looks like JBL in here, like kind of vibe of that. Okay, I get it. Nice, that's good for connecting on the Bluetooth. So I got my phone here with me, so as we can just connect it with the Bluetooth side and see what's happening on this kind of speaker. Okay, we are playing right now on the phone. Okay, as you can see, That is not 100%. It's like almost like half of it. Half, like 40. Let's go. Okay, you can see how much the bass kicks in. Whoa! This is good, man. This is awesome. Let's try something else. Guys, this is awesome. And you can even control. And you can even minimize. Whoa, what's happening in here? What about this one? Let's see. Yeah. Woo. Whoa, that's bass, man. Just check out the way it kicks in. You can even play here, I think. Is this the button for playing? Oh, this one here. This one. This is not for playing. This is shutting it down. But if you want for playing, that's for playing. You can change equalizer. Whoa! This is awesome. You can change equalizer on the go. Just check it out. Woo! This is awesome. This is good. Yeah, man. This is really good. Whoa. Man, this speaker is dope. The sound quality is great, and the functionality which you get here on top, it's amazing. It's really cool. I like the way they kept it. This is really dope. So yeah, man, this speaker is madness. I'll be honest with you guys, this kind of speaker of Powerology, the Phantom, it's really deserving to be a Phantom. It's really nice. As you can see, guys, on the form factor side, you can spot it as a JBL, but this is not a JBL. This is a Powerology, and to be honest, Powerology puts their socks up and they made something like this, which is really portable and you can just groove with it. But when it comes to the music playtime, that's like the most kind of keen stuff which a lot of us pay attention with. It's all about giving you 4 to 5 hours. Now I know 4 to 5 hours of playtime is quite not bad, but a little bit shorter time, 4 to 5 hours of listening to it, but it depends with you how much you usage it, because if you're using it frequently, well, just know it will just drain quickly, but it will just maintain to 4 to 5 hours out of it, and I think it's really kind of perfect compared to other kind of speakers. Like let me share with you guys something. You see, this kind of Sony SR-SXB23, it holds up for 12 hours because it's really kind of portable and it doesn't have a lot of watts. The watts out of it, it's just lower, and that's it. That's it. Does it make sense? I hope it do. So that's it, guys. So as you can see, this is the Powerology. And another kind of stuff which is goodness about this kind of speaker, it's a waterproof resistant. It has a Bluetooth 5.0, which is really kind of great, and packed out of it, it's having a battery capacity of 6,000 milliamp of battery, which it's really kind of nice. And the way you see it, it's really good because you can have many options through here at the back. You can see you can even slap your SD card with your music soundtracks, and you can even keep your flash drive, and I hope it can even charge. I cross my fingers for that. Can we try? I got my cable here with me, so we're gonna just keep my cable inside here on this port, and after that I'm gonna grab my phone. Here it is, so I'm gonna keep it here and see if it's gonna be. Yeah, man, this is bananas. It's charging, man. it's really charging. You can see here, guys, it's charging, to be honest. It's charging, which is really kind of cool. So that's what's up, guys. I'll be catching you guys on the next one, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys here on the next one, and peace.